This video is for all my homeowners out there. It's just a PSA about your homeowner's insurance contract. Your homeowner's insurance contracts can typically be categorized into the two following categories. First, you've got a named peril policy. Second, you've got an all-risk policy. Those are two very distinct forms of insurance that we're going to discuss very briefly today. On a named peril policy, your insuring clause, that clause that tells you what things we are insuring you for, is going to say something to the effect of, we insure you for all of the property listed above and based on the perils listed below. That's the language you want to look for, based on the perils listed below. And then it's going to give you a bunch of perils for which your property insurance is going to insure you. These might include things like lightning or volcano or sinkholes, things like that. On an all-risk policy, that first paragraph is going to be a little different. It's going to say, we insure you for damage to the property listed above. That's it. The policy is then going to go through exclusions, things that the insurer will not pay you for, things that they do not cover. These might include things like volcanoes or sinkholes or things like that. But if anything else other than those excluded things happens to your property, you're covered. So essentially on an all-risk policy, you just have to know what's excluded from coverage and everything else is included. On a named peril policy, you have to know what's included because everything else is excluded. When you get to court, if your insurer denies coverage under a named peril policy, you have to go to court and prove that the damage to your home was caused by one of those named perils. If you go to court under an all-risk policy, then all you have to do is prove that your house was damaged. Then it's the insurer's job to prove that the damage to your house was caused by an excluded cause of loss. This makes your job in court a lot easier. So to the extent possible, you want an all-risk policy for your home. My name is Nathan Saunders. This is The Legal Good, and I'm out.